Hello, my name is Josh Neckrup with FX1 Realty, and I'd like to welcome you to this virtual open house of 388 First Street in Steinbach, Unit 104. This is a nice two-bedroom condo. Let's just get you inside here and we'll take a peek. You can see a nice open concept. There's a closet right there for your coat closet. And as we just spin around here, you can get a good look at this kitchen. This kitchen is just fantastic. Look at this. Beautiful, clean, modern, wonderful kitchen, appliances included. Your dishwasher, stove, and fridge. There's also in-suite washer and dryer. We're going to get to that a little later. Here's the dining room area and open to the living room. You can see a nice gas fireplace. As we pull around here, let's just pop outside. And you can see just a lovely balcony. Here we go. You can see nice balcony. There's an additional storage locker there. It's also got mechanical in there. And we'll pop back inside. Okay, like you can see, just a ton of space here. Beautiful laminate floors, freshly painted, clean, ready to go, absolutely turnkey. This unit also has heated underground parking, which is just such a great feature. Okay, let's go take a look here at the laundry. As you can see, in-suite laundry, plus just a lot of storage here. A lot of storage. All right. Now we'll head down the hallway. We're going to take a look here to the left. We're going to see the full 4-piece master bath, or main bath rather. And then here's the second bedroom. There's a good sized closet, double closet. And as we pop around the corner here, let's get into the master bedroom. So here you can see the master bedroom, good size, again, just beautiful laminate flooring throughout. Lots and lots of space. And of course, one of the features that we're going to get to here in the master bedroom is the walk-in closet. Just a ton of space here for you. And nobody ever says that they have too many closets. And then here's the master ensuite. Then we got stand-up shower, and everything is just modern, beautiful. Okay, so this has been Unit 104, 388 First Street. Do feel free to text your inquiries to me. I thank you so much for coming to this open house.